how to change the plan in the Hathway Broadband. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to visit the Hathway self-care portal, and then you have to enter your credentials to log in into your account. So once you are logged in into your account, then you have to go to the My Dashboard section from the left menu bar, and then from there you have to go to the under current plan and then click on the view more, and after that simply select the upgrade option, and after that you have to browse through the available plans and then choose the plan that best suits according to your needs, and then simply click on the proceed, and after that you have to review and confirm the renewal account and simply select your preferred payment gateway, and in the last simply complete the payment process to finalize the plan change. And this is how you can change the plan in the Hathway Broadband. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.